Hey everybody, I just want to show you something. This is my 22 Ryker 900 base model. As you can see, I have the solo comfort seat, and with that you can't really add a rack to it. So on Sling Mods I saw this little rack that's being sold by ZSW. I would advise going directly to them, because with Sling Mods you never know when it's going to come. It doesn't give you any estimate on time of day. So what I have is a 15 millimeter, and it's going to bolt right here with 2 bolts. So since there's no video on it, I'm going to do the video install. What I have is a ball mount right here that I've been using to hold my my selfie stick and do some of my videos, and I use this bolt to mount it. And let's see. It's just 2 screws that hold it. So, and they're pretty long screws. It's not made for holding really heavy weight. Maybe just big enough to hold an extra helmet. So I want to use it so I can carry a jacket with me when I go to work and I have to wear it, because it's still hot during the daytime. So it's just 2 of these bolts, and this is my ball mount that I had there. I won't be putting it back on. I'll be using a different location, probably on the rack. Right now I have a small selfie stick with a claw grabbing on the bar down here. Here's the selfie stick right here, sticking out from underneath, and then I have it tied on there. These bolts are on really good. It's so long. Alright, here we go. No, not. Oh wait, there, yeah. Seems like it's loose enough to come out. There we go. And like I said, these 2 go here. Real easy. Hand tighten it back on. Mine's slightly bent here, and I think that might have been done by accident. But with the tightening it back up, it'll flatten it out, because the metal on it's not that thick. Maybe I don't need the extension number. That's better. So they say this is just big enough for a helmet, but I have a net that I bought, and I have one of those really small milk crates that I have for fishing. I'm gonna put that on here. See if I went to the market and I grabbed like a bag of groceries, I'll be able to put it on here. But you don't want anything heavy. I wouldn't be trying to hold like a couple gallons of milk or anything like that. I tried YouTubing a video to see the install on this thing. I mean, it's so simple. I mean, not like you really need a video to know how to put 2 bolts on, right? But there are no videos of this rack being put on. And I guess that's because everybody has the regular seat or the other type of comfort seats where you can have the max mount and have the rack that goes on the back of that. Well, I don't ride nobody, so I went with the comfort seat, the solo comfort seat, mind you, and I am 100% satisfied with the solo comfort seat because I don't ride with anybody, but I do want to be able to carry, you know, like a jacket, which is why I did the netting. You know, I think the netting looks really nice, just even as an accent itself. But I get my jacket and I roll it up underneath there. But it'd be nice to be able to have it folded right here and, you know, have a net holding it down. So, and that little piece of metal that was bent is now straight. That's that. There's the rack. There we go. It's just about finger space away from everything. And it's not meant to hold a lot of weight because it is thin metal. It will bend down. So it's not that big, but let's see. I wouldn't put more weight than that on there, but let me see. Well, I guess I'll just zoom in. I have it strapped to a little ladder, but yeah, I have that now. I can carry things. My selfie stick. It's not a very big one. This one's my smaller version one, but I have that to do. My last videos were done with this one, and I like that it tucks completely out of the way. It's completely under the seat. Well, thanks for watching.